Are you tired of the sun's invasiveness in your space interfering with your sleep quality or your ability to watch TV? Well, we've got the answer for you. We'll go over some quick and practical installation advice in the video we've got for you today. Let's start now. 1. Measure twice, cut once. It's important to correctly measure your windows before you start. To make sure you buy the accurate size curtains, measure the width and height of each window. Keep in mind the proverb, measure twice, cut once. 2. Choose the right hardware. Making the right hardware choices is essential for a smooth installation. Make sure your curtain tracks or rods are strong enough to hold the weight of the blackout curtains. Consult a hardware specialist if you are unsure that you have chosen the appropriate tools. 3. Preparing the space. Remove any existing blinds or curtains to prepare the area. To produce a clean surface for installation, clean the window frames and the surrounding surfaces thoroughly. This will enable good curtain adherence and a smooth appearance. 4. Assemble and hang the curtains. It's time to put your blackout curtains together now. Any rings or hooks must be attached to the curtains in accordance with the manufacturer's guidelines. After assembling them, hang the curtains on the rods or tracks, making sure their length is sufficient and they are spread equally. 5. Test the curtain movement. Check the curtain's movement before completing the installation. Make sure there are no obstacles between them as they open and close. If necessary, adjust the rings or hooks to get the desired functionality. 6. Seal the edges. Seal the curtain's edges to increase their ability to block light. To attach the edges to the window frame or wall, use fabric glue or double-sided tape. By taking this extra step, light leaks are avoided and the blackout curtain's efficiency is increased by many folds. 7. Finishing touches. Take a step back after the installation is complete to enjoy your brand new blackout window curtains. Make any necessary modifications to make sure they hang correctly and give your room a well put together appearance. 8. Enjoy the benefits. Prepare to benefit from a myriad of advantages now that your blackout curtains are fitted. Enjoy a good night's sleep, increased energy efficiency, and increased privacy. That finishes our tutorial on installing blackout curtains quickly and efficiently.